So I'm doing a box opening of this suction cup phone mount with light. So here we go. I purchased it because as a content creator, I want to just sometimes stick my camera up on the mirror so I can do like facial products and things of that nature. So I've taken everything out the box. Let me just hold it up for you. They have a dear customer card. Figure out what these rings are, these little sticky rings are for. We shall see. It does come with instructions. The light comes with the selfie light. Here's the extension cord that plugs into the selfie light. And here's the gear for the suction cup. As we can see, it comes with a 1/4 inch suction cup holder. How much it can suction up here. Oh, all right, here we go. Press that down. Ooh, it is not budging. All right. Okay, that's good. It also comes with a 1/4 inch universal head. Oh, no, that's not the universal head. Or is it? Yes, it is. Okay, so it comes with the universal 1/4 inch universal head. Okay. So we're going to have to figure out how to put all this together in a moment. And then it has the 1/4 inch phone clip holder. Oh, 1/4 inch phone clip. Look here at this section of the guide. Now it's time to figure it out. All right, so I can see that this is going to go on the bottom. Okay. And so I'm going to put the hook on first. So the hook is going to go, not the hook, I'm sorry, the suction cup. It's going to go in here. Okay, cool, cool. I'm going to attach the phone holder. Wait, I know I'm going to do it this way. Oh, or does it go like this? Wait, hold on, y'all. Oops. Oh, child. Okay. So I guess it could go either way depending on how you want your phone. Right? I think. So wait, let's see. No. Yes, I am going to say yes to this part because, again, it depends on how you want your phone to be attached to it. It does have this hole as well where you can screw it in. You want to screw it in that way. So I'm going to do it that way as well. Like so. Cool, cool. All right, let me tighten this up so that my ball can be still. This is the LED light. It does come with the USB charging port. It has the one-click on and off switch colors. You can switch colors between the warm light and the cool light setting, or cool light, natural light. And it has a long press to turn on the brightness, so turn the brightness up and down. You slide it in like so, and you tighten it up here. And batteries are included. All right, cool. And they are rechargeable. Why do we have a USB? There's that USB slot. So, you can plug it in to recharge the batteries. Okay, so remember these. And what are the attached double-sided stickers for? Well, that's where I'm going to hop to right now. And it says when you want to fix it in a position such as a grainy wall, and first stick it on and then absorb it. But please note that the adhesive is disposable, and once removed, it cannot be used again. So I guess you should use these sparingly, and I'm sure maybe if you email them, if you need more stickers, they will send them to you. All right, so now I'm going to show you sticking a phone in. So, and what I do love about it so far is that you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Turn this knob to have this part to be stationary on the first setting. And here it is on the second lighting, which is more of the warm. And here's the mix. And this concludes my review of the M-01 suction cup phone mount. If you found this review helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.